I want to talk to you a little bit today about our philosophy, the philosophy of our company. One of the things that I see out there a lot of times is that there's consultants all over the place in the dental community that really serve the dentist very well, but they're serving the dentist in what I call helping them with the ingredients that might go into their dental practice. Or if we think about it from like baking a cake, that they are helping with each ingredient, helping them find each ingredient to bake the cake. But in terms of putting the whole cake together and baking the cake, I think that a lot of times we miss that. So what is the cake? And in my opinion, the cake is building a dental practice that at some point you can exit and you can make dentistry optional. You know, a lot of times I find that dentists just create a job for themselves, not really build a business. And the number one indicator of whether you have a job or a business is, can you leave that practice? Can you be gone on vacation? Can you be gone and it not affect the revenue? Can it not affect the production amount? That's huge. The amount of vacation you can take and your revenue not go down is directly correlated with the value of that practice, right? So a lot of times we'll end up getting, our hygiene department going really well, or getting our treatment acceptance good, and all those things are wonderful. We need to pay attention to all of that. But what we really need to do is understand that the recipe is making a cake. And that cake is to make dentistry optional, to exit that practice at some point, not just create a job. Now, just like baking a cake, having the ingredients list is not the same. Just having the ingredients list, let me say it like this, just having the ingredients list does not mean you're going to be able to bake the cake, because you need instructions on how to bake the cake. When do the eggs go in? When does the flour go in? How long do you bake it? At what temperature? Those kinds of things. And so having the ingredients, but also having the sequence in the actual recipe is very important. Now, what we've created is, just through all our experience, my own personal experience in running some dental practices, and then also with hundreds of dental practices around the country, what we have learned is that there's really three phases that we need to take folks through. The first phase is we got to get under the hood, okay? We got to understand exactly how that practice works, understand exactly what drives the engine of the dental practice. And then we have to learn how to track those things and create a dashboard, right? And it's not the things that most people think, right? My brother's an airline pilot, and he tells me, hey, I got all these instruments in the cockpit, but I really only need 5 things working really, really well. And that's what I have to track to be able to fly that airplane and get people to their destination safely. Same is true in the dental practice. So we got to get under the hood. Second phase, we have to open the flow. Have to build capacity in that practice and build the right capacity. Because what opening the flow is going to do is we're going to pour gasoline into the engine that we just understood and built under the hood. And then the third phase is to let it go. We got to help get other people in doing the work so that it's not just on our shoulders. So we got to get under the hood, we got to open the flow, and then we got to let it go. I'd love to chat with you more, love to help you if I can. Send me a message and we'll book a little mini audit call to see if maybe we're a fit to help you get out of the chair and make dentistry optional. Thanks.